In this video, we want to find the surface integral of a vector field where f is z squared comma negative x squared comma 0. And the surface is z equals xy, x between 0 and 1, and y is between 0 and 4. For this one, we're going to use a different formula. So we're going to use f dotted with negative partial of f with respect to xi minus partial of f with respect to yj plus k, and then dx dy. So let's first compute the derivative. So z here is going to be our f of xy. So we have f of xy equals xy. So we need to take the partial with respect to, let's see, x first. That's going to be y. And then we take the partial with respect to y. It's going to be x. So now ds here, so that's this part right here. That's our ds. That's going to be negative y, negative x, and 1, and then dx dy. So now we can focus on f here. So f, we said, was z squared negative x squared and 0. Well, z is xy, so we could just replace z with xy. So we have quantity xy squared, negative x squared, and 0. And now we could do the dot product. So the dot product is going to be whatever's inside the integral. So when we do the dot product, we get negative x squared y cubed plus x cubed. And we need to set up the integral here. So if we go back up, we said y was between 0 and 4, and x was between 0 and 1. So those are the bounds that we're using here. And we're going to go in the order of dy dx. But it doesn't really matter which order you go to. So first we integrate with respect to y. We get negative x squared y to the 4th over 4 plus x cubed y. Valuing it from 0 to 4, we get negative 64x squared plus 4x cubed. Now we need to integrate that between 0 and 1. So we get negative 64x cubed over 3 plus x to the 4th. And we get negative 61 over 3 as our final answer.